You can pair up to 2 Bluetooth headphones to the BMW Theater Screen, offering privacy and comfort to all passengers. First things first, make sure Bluetooth is activated on your headphones. Next, tap the touchscreen and select Bluetooth from the menu. The system will scan for available Bluetooth devices. When your headphones are detected and displayed, tap on the name and select OK to connect via Bluetooth. Choose left or right rear seating and then press OK again. That was easy. All set. Need to raise the volume? Tap audio settings via the touch command or touch screen. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.